Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Room category 1. You can see the first details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Room categories of rooms are available. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. To book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. By commenting, we will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, you will have to subscribe